Hello, my friends. Try again. Poem of 8th class. I am Dattatray Veer sir. Shivparvati Vidyalay Wagholi. Let's study. Try again. First, we are studying the poem Warming Up. Try again. What do you like? Poem or stories? I like both poem and stories. What kind of poem do you enjoy the most? I enjoy lyrical and didactic poem. Updeshatmak. Do you think poem can inspire us? Yes, sure. I do think that poem inspire us. Do you remember any such inspiring poem? Yes, I remember. The inspiring poem We Shall Overcome. When did you learn or listen to it? I learned it when I was in 7th class. What message do you get from it? The message is faith, confidence, and face the overcome the difficulties. That the message of that poem. Let's study the poem, the first stanza. Then there are six stanzas by four. Each stanza's lines are there. I like to read first and I like to explain the poem. Try again. It is a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again. The line try again is repeated again and again. कवी काय म्हणतो तुम्ही लक्ष द्या इकडं काय लक्ष द्या इट इज पे अटेन्शन तुम्ही इकडं लक्ष द्या काय लक्ष द्या वी डू यू हार्ड डू वर्क हार्ड लेसन विच लेसन इट इज अ लेसन यू शुड हीड कोणता लेसन ट्राय अगेन इफ ॲट फर्स्ट यू डोंट सक्सेस ट्राय पहिल्याच प्रयत्नात तुम्ही यश नाही झालं तर प्रयत्न करा देन यू करेज शुड ॲपियर धाडस वाढवा दिसेल तुम्हाला फॉर इफ यू विल परसिवर चिकाटीनं तुम्ही धडपड करा विल कॉन्कर नेवर फिअर ट्राय अगेन तुम्ही नक्कीच विजय मिळवाल तुम्ही घाबरून जाऊ नका प्रयत्न करा पण निराश होऊ नका इट इज अ व्हेरी एक्सलंट पोएम बाय W.V. Hickson. Next some lines also we can understand what the purpose is there. What should we do when you fail or at first we must try again? The margin question is there. Once or twice though you should fail, try again. If you at last prevail, try again. If you strive, it is no disgrace. Though we do not win the race, then we must try again. What should we do in that case? Try again. एकदा किंवा दोनदा तुम्ही फेल व्हाल पण तुम्ही प्रयत्न करा इफ यू वुड ॲट लास्ट प्रिव्हेल मीन्स मन वळवणी करणे आपण आपली मन वळवणी करून परत प्रयत्न केला पाहिजे इफ इट स्ट्राइव इट इज नो डिस्ग्रेस हिअर डिस्ग्रेस इज द वर्ड इज हिअर दो वी डू नॉट विन द रेस वी मस्ट ट्राय अगेन व्हॉट शुड वी डू देन यू फेल at first, then we must try again. When do you generally feel ashamed? When someone will laugh us, we must try again. You should try again. These words is repeated again and again. If you are fail, you must try again. Next, some lines we can learn again. Though we do not win the race, what should we do in that case? We must try again. When do we generally feel ashamed? When someone laughs us. What rules must be always kept in mind? Try again. Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you a reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Only keep these rules in view. Try again. W.E. हिक्सन तुम्ही प्रयत्न करत राहा टाइम विल ब्रिंग युअर रिवॉर्ड एक वेळ तुम्हाला आणेल तुम्हाला बक्षीस देईल तुम्ही प्रयत्न करत राहा ऑल दॅट अदर्स फॉर कॅन डू जे लोक करतात त्याप्रमाणेच तुम्ही प्रयत्न करा. संयम ठेवा. विथ पेशन्स मे नॉट यू ओनली कीप दिस रूल्स इन व्ह्यू. ट्राय अगेन. प्रयत्न करा. पेशन्स, संयम ठेवा. हार्ड वर्क करा. डिफिकल्टीवर फेस. पेशन्स. कॅपॅसिटी टू ॲक्सेप्ट डिले विदाउट लॉसिंग होप. तुम्ही नक्कीच पेशन्स ठेवून, संयम ठेवून तुम्ही प्रयत्न करत राहा. धडपड करत राहा. निराश होऊ नका. आत्मविश्वास ठेवा. डू हार्ड वर्क. कीप कॉन्फिडन्स. दिस इज अ लॅडर ऑफ सक्सेस. ट्राय अगेन. कीप पेशन्स. बी पेशन्स. Be cool and you will be success in your life, my son. Appreciation of the poem. Actually, there are very excellent points are there. The first one is the title. The title of the poem is Try Again. Try Again. The poet is W.E. Hickson. Okay, title Try Again. Poet W.E. Hickson. The poem has 24 lines. There are 6 stanzas. There are 4 stanzas. 6 stanzas are there. 4 lines and 6 stanzas. The rhyme scheme is ABAB. Theme of the poem is try again, do hard work, keep confidence, keep patience, overcome the difficulties and try again. What rules must be always kept in mind? We must try again. These are some margin questions I like to read you because there are some rhyming pairs also there. Again, appear, fear, fail. These are the lines. My favorite line is try again. You must always try again. This is my favorite line. Try again. If you are fail, you must try again. Thank you very much for watching this video. And I think you understand this video very well. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.